Hey there, campers! Are you ready to embark on a fun-filled camping adventure with your family? Well, let me share some tips that will make your family camping trip easy and fun for everyone. Step 1. Choose the right campground. When it comes to choosing a campground, look for one that offers amenities like restrooms and showers. It's also important to consider the activities available at the campground, such as hiking, fishing, or swimming. You can even find campgrounds with specific themes like water parks or mini golf. To make your search easier, use online resources to find campgrounds near you and read reviews from other campers. Step 2. Plan ahead and pack smart. Before you go camping, make a list of everything you need to pack, including food, clothing, and camping gear. This will help you stay organized and ensure that you don't forget anything important. Check the weather forecast and pack accordingly. Don't forget essentials like sunscreen, insect repellent, and first aid supplies. Divide tasks among family members so everyone contributes to the packing process. Step 3. Set up camp as a team. Setting up camp can be a fun activity for the whole family. Assign each member a task based on their age and abilities. For example, younger children can help collect firewood while older kids can assist with setting up the tent or grill. Work together to get everything set up and then take some time to explore the campground. Step 4. Cook meals together. Cooking meals at a campground is a great way to bond with your family. Choose recipes that everyone will enjoy and that are easy to prepare at a campsite. Consider bringing a cooler with perishable items like meat and dairy. If your campsite has a grill, you can cook meals like burgers, hot dogs, and kebabs. For a more rustic experience, try cooking over a campfire. Don't forget to bring along plenty of water and snacks for everyone. Step 5. Enjoy campfire time. After dinner, gather around the campfire for some quality family time. You can roast marshmallows, tell stories, or sing songs. This is a great time to disconnect from your devices and enjoy the company of your loved ones. If you have a fire pit at your campsite, you can even do some stargazing. Step 6. Have a camp day. If you're lucky enough to have a campground with amenities like a pool or game room, make the most of them. Plan a camp day where everyone can enjoy the facilities. This is a great way to break up the routine and give everyone a chance to have some fun in the sun. Step 7. Leave no trace. Before you leave your campsite, make sure to pack up all of your belongings and dispose of any waste properly. Leave the campsite as clean as you found it so that other campers can enjoy it too. There you have it. 7 easy steps to make family camping fun and memorable for everyone. Don't wait. Start planning your next camping adventure today. Create lasting memories with your loved ones by exploring the great outdoors. So grab your camping gear, pack your bags, and get ready for an unforgettable family camping trip. Thanks for watching.